Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad men. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young?
Some are like water, some are like heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a fading horse. It's like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. We'll let them come true.
Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever young?
Forever young, I wanna be forever young.
Do you really wanna live forever?
And ever,
Forever young, I wanna be forever young.
forever young.
Do you really wanna live forever? Forever young.
I met a girl out in the hills who gave my lonely heart a thrill. Her beauty seemed just like a breath of spring. And when I looked into her eyes, I thought of blue midsummer skies. And when I held her hand in mine, I heard the bluebird sing a song of wondering.
Wondering if you love her,
Will she marry?
marry if you'll ask her.
Will her heart be
True for him for
in
them.
an evermore? And when she's lonely,
Lonely is he near her?
when there's sadness,
Sadness will he cheer her?
will they always
Always be together
until in death they part? I courted her for months on end until she promised we would wed. We planned on being married in the spring. All through the long cold winter months it seemed like spring would never come. And every gloomy winter's day I heard the bluebird sing a song of waiting
waiting for the flowers,
and of counting
counting every hour.
till the bluebird
Bluebird chirps his welcome
into the world once more. And though we're waiting,
waiting for the sunshine,
we keep hating
hating every storm cloud
that has gathered
gathered o'er the mountains
to keep us far apart. And when at last spring touched the earth, we were married in the village church. Our wedding